I sold my arc welder. With the money, I picked up the Chicago Electric welding Flux 125 welder. Runs on 115. Says we can weld up to 3/16 steel with it. On this video, you're just going to see me reviewing this item. Alright, so the flux coated wire comes with the welder in the box. A shade for the helmet, manual, wire brush, handles, and the tip. It's kind of a cheap helmet shield. I mean, it'll work if you don't need nothing special, but I don't like it. But it's not a bad looking machine. For what I'm going to use it for, it's just home stuff whenever I need to do something small. Okay, screws in. And nut and bolt it. Alright. Okay, handles in. Now we're going to put the spool in. Oh, isn't that sweet? It says thank you. Thank you for buying my cheap welder. I shouldn't talk because I did buy it. But if this thing works, I'll be happy with it, man. You know, for little jobs around the house. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the tip off. Don't let it go because this wire will go everywhere. I'm going to feed it through. Now to get it through that other hole. There we go. And I'm just going to push it in, get it started. I'm going to close it back up. Now this is how you adjust your tension, blah, blah, blah. This is the tension on the spool. I already messed up. Spool goes on first, then this piece, then the spring, and then the knob. Plug her in and see what she does or doesn't do. Alright, before you get the wire all the way through, you got to remove the tip. Because what's going to happen is the wire is going to get stuck in the tip. Alright, now you get the wire out, put the tip on, feed it through. And there you go. Now you put the tip back on. There you go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it. Now we've got a nice clean fresh tip. So she's ready to weld. And it's got a gauge in here or a chart. Tells you what the settings should be or what the recommended settings are. So if I'm welding 3/16, which is what I'm going to be welding today, it says to put it on the voltage max and 9.0 for wire speed because I'm running 30. So 9.0 and max. So we're good. Wow. This is some cheap shit right here. Woo. Alright, the handle's in. And now you gotta put the glass in. And there's no directions on this thing, so. Okay, so you go through the inside, push it around these. Careful not to break this glass and cut yourself. Push it down and in place. So it's not that great. I mean, it'll work. You know what I'm saying? It'll work. But I don't find this to be awesome. Let's see what we got here. Damn, dude, it's not bad at all. Oops. I gotta move that. Blew the circuit, or the surge protector. I gotta plug it into the 20 amp. But yeah, wow. It's not a bad weld at all. Wow, that thing works pretty damn good. That welder works pretty damn good. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty impressed. Look at that weld, really nice. It's better than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not a professional welder, so, you know what I'm saying, guys and girls? Wow, that is not a bad weld at all. Look at that. I think that came out wicked good. I mean, for me anyways. I'm very impressed with that Flux welder. I am impressed. That weld, amazing. It does excuse me, it splatters a lot, and I think it's the wire that comes with this. I bought some Lincoln wire, which is supposed to be better. My neighbor told me that this wire is not that great, and it splatters a lot. But that weld, man, that's incredible how nice of a welder that is on 3/16 steel. You see how thick that is. Oh yeah, I'm very, very impressed with this welder. 2 thumbs up, man, on the welder. I'm happy with it. If you guys are looking for something for around the house kind of stuff that runs on 115, way to go right here. All right, that's the end of the review. Chicago Electric Welder Flux 125, 2 thumbs up. Very impressed with it. Any questions, comments? If you have one of these, put it down in the comments below and tell me how you like it. I'm gonna recommend that welder for home use. Definitely worth the money. You all take care, have a great day. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to the videos. Bye-bye.